In this video I'm gonna show you a simple Ableton chain to power up your synths and basses like a pro. Coming up. What's up YouTube? How's everyone? I hope you're good. In today's video I'm gonna show you a simple Ableton chain to make your basses sound louder. Also, if you are new here, please consider to subscribe because more videos like this are coming. So guys, here we have a bass sound just for demo. And now let's see our chain. As you see, there are a lot of things that you can do. The first thing is distortion. Here we have a little bit of loudness. The third one is to make your low frequencies mono. The fourth is about to give a little bit of clarity to your sound. And lastly, we'll have a nice OTT. So guys, as you see, there's a lot of difference to our sound. And this is gonna be for free download. I'm gonna have a link in the description, so go get it. So guys, that was the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. As you saw, it was actually pretty easy, straight simple. Don't forget to subscribe. More videos like this are coming. See you next time.